Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the belly button piercings on Dress to Impress. So there's actually two belly button piercings on Dress to Impress, and they're both in this section over here. So the first one I'll show you is down here, which I'm sure a lot of people know more than the other one. Well, I did, but select this one and you can color it to whatever you want, and you have this really cute belly button piercing, and I usually pair it with this like item here. Then you have the other belly button piercing, which is up here underneath the like circle pendant necklace, and you're just going to grab that and you can color in your belly button piercing like so. And those are the two belly button piercings you can get on Dress to Impress. There's none in the VIP that I know of, but there is like another one like this, but it's like a star shape here if you'd like to wear it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!